Hello guys! Today nagawa ako ng Bacolod Chicken Inasal in my own version. Ito yung pinaka-famous na chicken inasal sa Bacolod. Kaya ngayon gagawa ako ng Bacolod Chicken Inasal na aking version. So ingredients ko sa aking chicken inasal, syempre manok, whole leg ng manok. So meron akong 5 piraso na legs, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 head of garlic, salt, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, crushed ginger, at least like 2 cm. So ito crushed garlic siya, pero kahit may mga balat-balat, okay lang yan siya. 3 tablespoon vinegar, at saka 1 teaspoon black pepper, at saka kailangan din natin ng atswete, at least 2 tablespoon na atswete. So sa paggawa ng Bacolod Inasal, kailangan nating i-marinate ang manok, soy sauce, vinegar, asin, asukal, black pepper, tsaka lagay ng ginger, tsaka ang garlic. So guys, ganito na, nahalo ko na lahat ng ingredients. Kailangan natin i-marinate overnight, or kung wala na kayong time, at least 5 hours na marination, okay na siya. Tapos, after ng marination, pwede na siya i-grill. Okay, takpan lang natin at ilagay sa ref. Gumamit ako ng taba ng manok. Saka ilagay ko mamaya dyan yung atswete kung ready na yung mantika ng manok. Ready na yung mantika natin. Tanggalin na natin yung balat ng manok. Saka ilagay ang atswete seed. So now guys, kailangan natin ilagay ang atswete sa mantika. At least mga 2 minutes lang na pagprito-prito. Saka mahina lang yung apoy dapat para hindi masunog yung atswete. Kasi kung masunog siya, magiging pait yung mapait yung mantika natin. Kaya kailangan yung apoy dandahan, at saka haluin siya ng haluin hanggang sa at least mga 2 minutes na halo, or hanggang na-infuse na yung atswete doon sa mantika. Then kailangan natin i-strain yung mga seeds. Kaya na siya. Okay guys, we are going to grill now the chicken. Takpan na muna natin, saka hintayin para balik-balik. The chicken is almost cooked, so I need to brush with the atswete oil. So now I need to brush with the atswete oil. So now guys, the chicken is cooked and is ready to Remove from the grill. Wow, looks delicious. Okay guys, now I'm going to put the atswiti oil on the top of the rice like this, because this is how we eat. This is the chicken oil, and one for me also. Okay, you try first, honey. Okay, you need to make. Okay, you try my chicken. It's good. Look at the meat. Wow, you try.
Very good.
This is my bacolod inasal. Delicious.
Very good. Thank you.
Bacolod inasal.
Okay.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.